camping me camp. I don't have any shields.
It's just you and them. Finish it.
Good one. Second one got me.
Very good job. I'm impressed by that. Oh, slick there, Shane. Coming around the back door, back door. Back door. I broke my leg.
The calm, that's fucking crazy, bro.
You've got gas moving in.
Can't go anywhere. I'm stuck. I'm like on this little ledge right here.
I'm going. I got you. 1 sec.
Cop. Come on back inside, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Coming around. I'm so low. Oh, hit him.
Team didn't die for nothing. Finish this.
I'm coming back.
I'm running as fast as I can, buddy. I can't.
Allied cluster strike arriving.
Surprise attack! There's another one here! I don't know where, man! Figure it out! Oh shit, he's a ninja! He's dead! Jesus Christ, get in here! I don't even know! Oh my god! Okay, you okay, Trey?
I'm alright.
Okay, listen, you're doing a great job, but my heart is beating! My
Fire sale.
My God, man!
Fire station costs are adjusted.
Yeah. But I think.
Oh, there was people that know. That killed me earlier.
Whoa! Back up! Oh my God!
Where was he at? Did
That
you
was
see where he was at?
that was headquarters. That was headquarters over. Maybe check that window. That window. Look at the time.
Disregard.
Did you get him?
Oh, he's going forward.
Enemies here.
Okay, I'm moving forward too. Because we need to get.
Gas
Yeah.
is inbound.
Exactly.
Marking new
Okay,
safe
can
zone.
you move? Please don't.
Damn, boy.
Do not go down. Come to me, please.
I'm not.
Don't peek.
I'm scared.
Come on!
Scared.
Come on,
What
Trey,
do I
come
do?
on! Come on, Trey, we need to go! Come on! Yes, good job, we need to go! Right, watch top, because there's only... Oh yeah.
They're about to start beaming us.
You ready?
Broken down one of them.
Yeah, baby! Dude, that's
You're losing ground.
Long way to
Move
the
it.
safe zone. Come on.
on me.
Over here!
On me. Shit, I'm dead. Behind you, Trey. No! Okay, let's get on top, I guess.
Cool. I can.
Prison?
Yep, go top. Yep.
They're right here. Here, jump.
I'm taking fire!
Other person on the other side.
Into the roof down there.
Oh shit, sniper! Jesus Christ!
Yeah, he's sniper too. Damn, I wish I had my sniper.
So do I.
Grenade out!
Yeah, he down there.
That's why you got.
Okay, got it.
The person's
Enemy
dropping in.
soldier nearby.
He's broke over there, man.
Right here.
He's dead.
Get down.
There's his friend.
Okay, get ready to move.
Oh, his other friend's on the other
more
side of the roof.
No shit.
Yep, other side of the bloody fucking roof, dude. Two of them, two of them. Nice down.
Down one.
I climbed over, I'm an idiot!
Oh, I almost jumped off the roof.
Buy station costs are adjusted.
Play it out.
Enemy cluster strike.
Don't worry about me.
Watch your head.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. You fucking idiot, don't worry about me.
I want you though.
We need to move. Get ready.
You're an idiot, but I love you.
This friend's dead.
Come out on top.
Yeah.
Pushing up. Broke him.
That's it.
Yeah, the trash.
Good shit.
You said we're trash, but I don't know about that. Not very good for us.
Get to the
Oh,
safe
roof to
zone.
roof to roof.
Hey, hey.
Oh, I'm going Nova. I'm going Nova.
I gotta drop. Okay. Oh shit, I went a little too far.
Fired.
But I'm with you, I'm with you, I'm with you, I'm with you. I'm with you, baby.
Boom. You
You wanna go basement or some shit, bro?
Yeah, that's good.
There you go. If this
You gotta
works.
go for the head. You
If
gotta
it-
go for the head.
Only 5 remain. Finish this once and for all. Wow.
Doesn't really like make
Mark a drop point for your
You
team.
know what? Let's go water tower. Not bottom water tower, but
Gas
let's
is
go
approaching
on
your
water
position.
tower.
Get to the safe zone.
Cancel that. Never mind.
But this is like one of the, like it's a pretty discreet skin.
Enemy soldiers
There's a lot of
nearby.
f***ing skins that are really
Execute all
noticeable, you
targets
know.
in the AO.
Well, could you invite me to the party?
I got him with my pistol.
Enemy cluster
And now we gotta
strike.
get
Oh,
off the fucking
cluster.
roof.
Jump to prison.
Yep. Oh shit, guys, right underneath me.
Oh, there's someone down here. I broke him.
Oh, you're.
The motherfucker just popped loadout? Yes, he just popped loadout right here. Two of them. I didn't do shit. The other one's up on me up here.
It's just you and them.
Target
Finish
marked.
it.
Hit them now.
This is Phoenix 3. Strike inbound.
Hey, guy, sir.
That motherfucker.
Okay, alright, buddy.
Oh, god damn it!
Where are they shooting?
Supply box
Let me
identified.
live.
Marking location
Where are they shooting
now.
you from?
I'm out of there, bro. Dude, I'm getting shot. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, bro, but I'm going to die. Come here.
What?
Enemy UAV active.
I bet he's dead. We don't. And we don't have enough money to buy loadout. Like, let me get loadout! Please!
Okay.
Please!
Dude, they're camping our loadout too, bro.
Oh, don't even try it.
Enemy UAV
Oh,
active.
watch this. Oh, yep. No.
Throwing grenades.
Okay, got it.
One's down. The other guy jumped.
Enemy hunters lost your
Over cam. Cam.
Yeah.
Cam.
Someone's in here. Oh,
bound. Safe zone relocated.
Here, over here.
Guy on the wall.
your f***ing buddy there.
Guy on the wall. He's down.
Oh, call.
Don't peek.
Get
Do
ready.
not.
I'm resin you, and I'm not peeking you. I'm resin you.
Where's your friend? Are you serious? Okay, we gotta move from here. I hope you know that.
Yeah, what the f*** we doing?
Going to bottom.
You just wanna try to go Lodi?
Yeah, we gotta go down. I'm going down. Whoa, bio! Jesus Christ! This is a sniper's game, man.
Yeah, they are fucking close, dude.
don't even have like loadout weapons, and we're trying our best here, man.
I know. Behind us somewhere. Behind us somewhere. He's on the tower, he's on the tower. I broke him.
Enemies here. Gas is right on your tail.
You got guys. Can't beat that.
Enemy precision airstrike. Stay alive. Contract time expired.
Don't go over there.
The
I don't
target's
know.
been lost.
Oh, don't go over there.
Going. It was on you over there.
Okay.
Come on, run. They're gonna snap you.
No shit. Oh my god.
Yep.
I'm down.
10 are left. Keep the pressure on.
Alright, we're not doing too bad.
We're doing.
Right here.
Enemies here.
Yeah, don't.
I broke him with the throwing knife.
He's gonna have to push in.
Come on, peek. Peek.
They're right underneath us. Right. Just go up against the fucking
Get
wall.
to the new safe zone. Gas is closing in.
He's right down there. Oh shit.
Enemy movement.
Gas is inbound.
Alright.
Get to the safe zone. Let's go.
Yeah, watch underneath us. Right underneath.
Vato.
God, I hate that.
Turn me over here.
Enemies here.
Dead.
Yep.
And mate. Oh my god.
Yeah, above you too.
Enemies here.
He's getting beamed from them. They're distracted. Stay right here.
Get to the new safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Watch behind you right here.
Yeah.
Gas
Hang
is
on.
moving.
This is our chance.
I'm hit.
I don't know where the f he is. Yeah, this stupid shot. Then got it himself. Here, stay down and try to get eyes on him. Someone just res right here.
Enemies here. Enemies here. Enemies here.
Behind us. Okay, got him.
What did you do? Oh, he's on me right here.
Right there.
Yes!
Dude.
Shake the shit out of you, baby! Yeah!
Eliminated.
Yeah, baby!
God,
Oh
yeah.
my god!
This fight.
Dude,
All
I
the
get
trials.
around the